Hey, this is Bill Mulvahill here with Trailhead Planners. I'm here with a special edition of Coffee Sweaters and Finance. I'm here today to talk about financial planning and tax planning with restricted stock. If you work today as a business executive or a tech professional, there's a good chance that your employer is giving you employer stock as a form of compensation, and that might come in the form of restricted stock. If you want to understand how to do tax planning and financial planning with restricted stock, there are 3 key dates that you need to understand in order to start tax planning. The first one is the grant date. The grant date is the date that your company awards you the shares. Importantly, there are no tax ramifications on the grant date. After you awarded the shares, they vest over a period of years typically. The vesting date is perhaps the most important date or term to become familiar with, because that is the day that you pay tax on these shares. And you're going to pay tax at the ordinary income tax rate based off of the value of the shares on the date that they vest. Importantly, there is no way that you can avoid tax on this date. The third key date is the sale date. After your shares vest, you can sell them at any time. You can sell them immediately, you can sell them 20 years down the road, you can never sell them and let them be inherited by your children down the road. But when you do sell the shares, you're going to pay you're going to pay tax on a gain or a loss based off of the difference of the sale price and the price and the value of the shares on the date that they vested. It could be a gain or it could be a loss depending on what happens with the stock. If you hold them for at least 1 year, it's going to be a long-term capital gain. If you hold them for less than a year, it's going to be a short-term capital gain. Again, importantly, the thing that everybody has a hard time understanding is there's no way to avoid paying tax on the date that they vest. All right, those are the 3 key dates to keep in mind when you're doing financial and tax planning with restricted stock. I'll be back later with more tax planning concepts for restricted shares later. Thanks a lot.